Watch your fingers, fucking hell.
Good news. Alright, I'll last about 5 minutes, quick.
We are getting there, mate. Half for eat. Got the whole boot off. Boots off, rear bumpers off. Apparently that's off now. Oh mate. How easy is that? There you go, folks. Rear quarter glasses out. Needs to take this bad boy off. Might as well take the calipers off and shit like that. But we're just deciding whether to take the gearbox off or not, being as it's fucked or something's fucked. And whether to drop the engine on it.
Some of that fucking hardcore off-roading we done earlier.
Let's have a look at that tyre there. I think the front's okay. Nah. Be alright. That's shocking, mate. Shocking, mate. Oh.
No good at darts, are we?
How many bolts do we want to lose right now?
Can you start the car for me, Sean, please?
Yeah.
What's that?
I'm quite intrigued as to what that jack's going to do.
Hold the engine, I hope.
You might hold it, but not in balance.
What do you mean, mate? My balance is spot on, mate.
I just know that oil's going to go everywhere.
Nah, mate, we'll be fine. Look at it, mate.
Balance, yeah?
Well balanced.
Well, at least it dropped that way, the oil's not coming out.
For anyone wondering, mate, I do engine swaps on any customer's vehicles. As you can see, I take plenty of care.
How much to charge?
Just £1,000 for the job, mate, no problem.
Yeah?
You don't get any warranty though, that's extra.
No warranty? Fuck it, I don't even want to film that. Oh shit.
I need a fucking one of those cutters.
Dremel?
Nah. You trying to do a professional job, lad?
Hacksaw?
Yeah, an electric one.
Reciprocating saw?
Yeah, that's the one.
Watch your fingers, fucking hell, right.
Engine's half out. Sean's looking like a homeless guy.
It's been a hard time.
You look a little bit knackered there, mate.
Half an hour's down. You're safe. You're safe, mate. You're safe. You got it. You're safe. Hopefully, that's more than 80 quid. Oh, yes, we've got a code. And it's Nissan. Yeah.
Oh, is that a secondary one as well?
I don't know if it is. I thought it was, but I don't know if it is. This is why I have luxury cars, because, you know. What a banger. You'd think that's been standing for like 20 years. Don't even think it's 20 years old, but this fucking geezer, mate, this fucking van, mate.
You're fucking it up. This is a clean van before you fucking brought your
Well, listen,
shitty,
mate, you put a fucking tyre in it. Ah, what the fuck have I just set up, mate?
Your shitty wing mirror.
This is health and safety at its finest. If I crash or if we crash, then the tyre will help me not die.
Well, I ain't got airbags, so you don't have to worry about that one.
Well, there you go, mate, the tyre's my airbag. So you can see how fucking filthy we are, because he's got fucking truck lights on, mate. Go off-roading, it'll fucking it's got brighter, mate.
Yeah, mate, rev it gets brighter.
That is actually quality. We should take this fucking van. This should be the new vlogging van, mate.
I got some more LEDs, mate. We can do it to all the cars.
That's sick. What do they connect to?
It's so bright. Yeah, it kind of. I haven't put any resistors in, and it sometimes like outweighs my fucking charging system. So if I have them on for a long period of time, innit, when the fucking battery light comes on.
I'm not fucking surprised, mate. Look how bright they are. The camera can't even focus to it.
Yeah, they have model making LEDs. for like little houses.
Too bright for me. This would actually give me a headache, I think.
Is it? That's good. We'll keep
No, it hasn't, but I think it would. How are you going to see where you're going?
I can't see shit, mate. I put my little lights on, look, mate. Woo!
Might as well fucking let me hang this out the window, mate.
There you go, mate. Look, it's a monitor, isn't it? Look, there you go. Now you got normal lighting.
Perfect, mate. Perfect.
Woo!
That's actually sick, though. I like it, mate. I like it.
It's for all the women I pick up in this van. Can do their makeup.
I thought they'd go in the back.
That's when I get pissed off of them for phoning too much. I tie them up, stick them in the back.
I'm 100% putting that on, mate.
Wait in the vlog. Don't give away me tactics now.
So we're fogging up. Somebody ain't got a heater, mate. Brand new van, no heating.
We put it on, mate. It just don't work. It gave up, and I gave up fixing it.
It's fine though, anyway. You don't need to see, mate. Seeing out, seeing how the car's overrated. Quite a nice, relaxing evening today. Not really much going on. We haven't broken anything today, which is always good. What's this doing here? What are you doing?
Fixing your shitty puncture, mate.
Who done that puncture, mate?
Good garage, mate. BP in the background, bit of rain. Hatch and a Subaru, mate.
And why are you sitting there wanking off a tyre right now?
It's a bit stiff, needs some lubrication.
Spit on it.
Smoking, mate.
Is it? So yeah, I mean, as you can see, I've done all the work today. Ooh. Sometimes I wish Ronnie would get off his arse and do some work. Look at me, standing out in the fucking rain so he can have some dryness, you know what I mean?
I think we got another job, mate.
That stand. Don't pack the tools away, mate. I'm confused. Was that a standard
like 1.25
in the worst colour possible?
Yeah.
And decided to put an exhaust on it?
Green. No, but I think it wrong.
Oh, do you reckon it's blown?
Yeah, or it's fell off, or it's not connected. Or maybe someone tried to fit an exhaust in it and they cut the fucking back box off and then realised it didn't fit.
Only dodgy mechanic would do that, mate.
Puncture repair.
So first of all,
Find the hole, or make a new hole, whatever you wanted to sue. Me, I like to make a new hole.
right,
Make sure it's nice and wide. There we go.
Ronnie likes them wide.
Blow out the shit.
Blow out this shit. Like it, mate.
You get this, don't know what it's called, don't know what it does.
The
You
inputter.
You get 5 bars of licorice. That goes in there. Take one out. Now you get this. You fucking eat it, mate.
Is he warming it up?
Yeah. Then you get another one.
Get it nice and soft.
Can't hear very well.
Oh, in there?
Yeah.
Not in your mouth?
I think that's where it's supposed to go.
Oh.
I'm a bit hungry, you see.
2 hours later.
I've got about 10 minutes of film left, mate. Can't lie, chat. Any time today would be sweet, mate. So half an hour later.
Half an hour later. If you're good at sewing, you'll be good at this. Get your bicycle repair glue.
Oh yeah, lube it up.
Paint your licorice.
Get it nice and slippery.
I think I'll pour some in there as well.
Bit in the hole for good luck.
Being generous, mate. I'm only doing this once. If it don't work, fuck yourself. Go put the spare wheel on. There we go.
Oh, it's in, mate.
There we go.
Look at that. 80, yeah? Getting a bit wet, mate. A pound, mate.
Fucking pound for some air, quick. Fucking F1 style.
Do you know what a good friend would do right now?
What's
Just
that?
move the fucking car out of the road, do you know what I mean? Getting a bit of a wet butt.
Let me get it into perspective here, mate. Yeah, you're kind of missing the hatch. So I'm the cameraman, I should be in the dry. It's fine, I think it's just maybe that shitty hose that's connected to it. Oh, it's because you're bending the valve, man. Why is that? The valve is pissed.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, it was then because I fucking let go of the rope, mate.
Pissed, mate. Look at it.
Oh, mate, listen, mate. Alright, listen, I'll fuck
You can't even put air in this tire. It's level 2 qualified, mate.
Level 2, mate. Fuck, you're level 2.5, mate.
It's new. Right, that lasted about 5 minutes. Quick. Oh, I didn't get on camera.
Obviously, a professional mobile mechanic uses professional tools. My Ronnie's doing now. The best way to put back these things, just let them go, mate. Oh, it's caught on the exhaust. There we go, good as new.
Let me put it on properly for you, mate.
Oh, Jesus Christ, mate. Do you want a hand?
Nah.
Sure.
Hands are shit. Go get yourself another fucking coffee.
Alright, mate. Deal.
You jack it up a bit.
Jack it up. Oh, well, my hand's useless, should I? Or I'll use my fucking head, should I? Alright, mate, we'll do a bit of work. How about that?
Put it in a safe place under your oil cap.
Alright, mate. Safe place, yeah? That's the best way to let a car down, mate.
As fast as possible.
So, don't leave your windows open in the Subaru. Don't leave your windows open in the Subaru, mate. As wet as I am already, my fucking arse is now wet. Well, I'll let you know when I get a punch and I'm in a ditch, mate.